You know what is worse than failing? It is waking up one day and realizing that you have lost yourself. And for me, it all started with COVID. So I graduated in 2020 when everything was shut down. And when I look back, I realized that I skipped an entire chapter of my life. Everyone around me was preparing for big exams like GATE and ESC to get into PSUs, to become IES, and then to get into masters. I didn't want to do something just because everyone else was doing it. I had no idea what I wanted either. So I joined a life course after having a drop of 1 year just to put myself into pressure so I would be able to do something. That is how I became a data analyst. Honestly, the job title, even it was at Boom, was not something I thought that was for me. I am glad that I took that step because that is the reason why I am financially independent, and that was the best decision I have taken so far. I didn't waste time scrolling endlessly. I wasted it in my head, 60% thinking, 20% sleeping, 10% blaming, and 5% focusing on others. Thankfully, I didn't focus on others a lot. It's the real reason why I lost myself. I stopped doing the thing that I used to love. Like, I love reading, but suddenly I'd stare a page and nothing would stick to my mind. It felt like my head was filled with fog. Isolation during lockdown was extreme. 11 months of barely seeing someone. Then I swung to the other extreme, constantly surrounded by people at work. And in both the places, I felt same. I don't belong here. The truth is, I lost myself because I lived in extremes, either too social or too isolated. And now my life still has no structure. But the difference is, I have identified the problem. The first place I am starting is my morning because I can own my morning, I can slowly own my day, and one day own myself again. If you have ever felt like you have lost yourself, you are not alone. I am rebuilding one step, one habit, one morning at a time. And if you want to see what that journey looks like, stick around, hit subscribe, and let's find ourselves together.